Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 11.5s, and today I will show you how you can enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of the screen like so, and in here find the Do Not Disturb mode, which should be added by default, and you can see it for me right over here. Now, if you can find this toggle, you can add it definitely by clicking right here on this this box with a pencil in it, then clicking on the plus and finding it somewhere in here. When you do, you just click on the plus to add it like so, check mark, and you're good to go. Now anyway, once you see it in here, you can hold it and then select settings. At least the first time I would recommend doing that, and this will take you to the holy hell, the least settings page I have ever seen. So in here we can only turn it on and off and add a schedule. Now schedule will be one of those things that I do recommend maybe adding, specifically one that would be running for like a minute. Let me just quickly check this. Yep. So the reason for that single minute schedule, which I'm going to set up just as an example, I would set it up to run every single day, start at maybe something like 3 a.m. and run till 3:01, and check it. Now, reason for that is will come a little bit apparent in a moment, so let's close this up. Now, whenever you want to enable your Do Not Disturb mode, you could have done through that toggle in the settings, or you can just find the toggle in here and simply click on it. I'm going to check the box and not show this again, as it does give us a quick message. When enabled, notifications will be silent, alarms will ring as usual. Select enable, and that's it. Now, when you enable it like this, you will need to remember to turn it off. Otherwise, this mode will run indefinitely in the background. Now, setting up the schedule kind of removes that need. So even when you forget about it, your tablet will attempt to turn it on at that 3 a.m. as I set it up, but it's already enabled, or would be. And at 3:01, it's going to turn it off as the timer has run out, so off it goes. And that would kind of give you a little bit of a peace of mind that this mode wouldn't be running indefinitely in the background. And additionally, you can obviously have just normal schedule set up in general. So if we go in here, if we turn that off, we can add multiple different schedules. They can all be running at the same time. You don't need to worry about it. So they won't be interfering with each other. Though keep in mind that if you have, for instance, something like this that runs, I think this is all week long, right? Oh no, it's actually just Saturday and Sunday. Okay. So let's just say that you have one that runs Saturday and Sunday like this one, and then you set this one up to run from, I don't know, 7 till 10, Saturday and Sunday. Then obviously if they're both on, it's not going to turn off at 7, it's going to turn off at 10 in this case, because the second Do Not Disturb mode would take effect as well. So anyway, it's about everything that there is to the Do Not Disturb mode. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.